Prada, baby, know I got that. Why these pussy niggas try me, make them fuck back? If I pop this pill, will I lose track? Tell me how you feeling, I'm going back.
Oh, hello.
She gon' ride or die, she be all that. I be with my gang, we smoke that all pack. If I called you babe, would you say it back? She know I get money, I been by my racks. Would you walk this path with me, yeah? Would you catch this vibe with me, yeah? People don't see me, I'm moving in ghosts. All of the people, they lose control. That bitch, she gon' pick it and roll. She gon' rush, she be doing the most, yeah. She know I get money back.
What are we doing today?
I don't know. I think we're gonna take our cars, not mine. We're gonna drive somewhere near Rzeszów and take some photos.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
Trade that compact for M3.
Yeah, that's His neighbors hate him.
Whoa, what big tires.
Whoa, 560s. Why do you say they are big?
They're bigger than most of them.
We are now a reaction channel.
Yeah.
Today we'll be reacting to some tires.
Which car should Trevor take? The M3 or the turbo car?
M3.
Which car should Trevor take? M3 or turbo car?
Turbo.
I will vote for M3.
What car should Trevor take?
M3.
What car do you want to take?
All of them?
Wait, that was turbo, M3, M3, M3?
So, I guess everyone takes one of Trevor's car.
Yeah, we do have enough people for that. This one's broken again. The blue one.
Okay, so Trevor takes the blue one in case if it's, blows up. You take the yellow one.
Yes.
Angelo takes the compact. And Shimon takes the purple one.
Yeah.
We just sit in there and then he will give us keys,
Give us a starter pack.
Yeah, we won't catch on fire. Look at you.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
Yeah. The new seats are fucking amazing.
Oh yeah, we never showed it.
Pump up the sides.
These are E92.
Yeah, E92, half electric with like I don't know how it's bolster pump or whatever.
Yep, bolster pump, slick top. You got the new red. Fuck. Hurt yourself on the hydro. That's hilarious. The Nardi. This thing's looking good. Low as it should be.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh shit.
Oh, you fucked up.
Dancing, slide, action, freeze, dancing. People gon' talk, but it won't change. Yeah, ay, keep it steady up.
Fucking, your car's missing its chin.
Weakest looking.
Hey guys. I know what the problem is. Ain't got no gas in it. This thing's pretty cool though. It's a 2-liter compact. It's got a hydraulic handbrake here on a dual caliper system. Oh, we're rolling out. Little handle.
We did try to do it in the hydro again yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Did it work?
bit better, but on dry pavement I was able to quite easily load the tires. So.
Okay, well then that works good then. The 2 liter is slow. All right, well we got where we needed to be.
I did not expect.
That's so funny.
Man,
Just couldn't do the pass.
I need better engine.
Yeah. I thought 2 liters was enough. I don't know anymore. Was that full throttle?
On the second gear, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I felt like I should have accelerated more, but I didn't expect that guy to just
Yeah, give
race
it.
me.
That's so funny. You want to race?
Tak do tych 70.
Yeah, just to 50. Oh, he jumped you. We've achieved the goal of attaining gasoline. This devastating left turn has separated us. The boys have gone far ahead. Time to catch the boys. Oh, we found them.
Keep it steady up in my own lane. Ay, bottle service up when I get paid. Yeah, ay, Casa de Amigo sit plante. Yeah, turn that shit up, Caliente. Ay, kung fu, but I ain't your sensei. Ay, tore the shit down in my own way. Yeah, I be getting bands, getting plenty. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Get these bands, yo, we gon' roll. Pay for, risk cold. Get that bag, I gon' take that shit home. Roll that blunt, I gon' smoke on my own. Smoking up pounds, yo, we gon' roll. Slide, action, freeze, dancing, slide, action, freeze, dancing.
Yeah, how about we sip some, get nasty? Like it when you're tipsy and you get a little ratchet. I take 2 shots, now I know that you'll match it. Fall in for me, now you know that I catch it.
It's like catching air.
Dirty, dancing, lights on, camera, lights, action. Late night, found a rave. You hit me up, asking where the park.
It's a cool road. Do you like the road?
Yeah, this is my road, dude. I've driven it so many times.
It's pretty cool here.
Yeah.
It's a really pretty view.
Pull up, transport. See you on the other side. Can't stand it, damage. See you on the other side. Can't stand it, damage.
All right, we're off to some restaurant.
Can't stand it, damage. Lost in all
just been waiting. These problems I've been facing, yeah. I know I just been waiting. These problems I've been facing, these drugs that I've been slinging, I can't stop. No, my soul is set ablaze in this fire. I can take it. My problems I just face them. I won't stop.
Pierogi boys. What did you get?
Pasta with some mushrooms.
Oh, it's very good. Big Trevor. It's a really cute steak and eggs.
Thanks, fam.
Oh shit. Thought the salad dressing was salad dressing, but it's gravy.
It's gravy.
Chilling in the backseat and we both fucked up. Yeah, we headed back to my crib, but we both want love. But I can't show love, cause I ain't bout that shit. Nah, now we chilling in the corner of the room. I ain't even off the molly or the coke or the shrooms. I'll be sipping on my syrup, I'll be smoking this boo. I ain't talking to no hoes, I ain't talking.
So we just finished eating. Me, Grzeszek, and Michal had some pierogies. Szymon and Angelo had some pasta. Angelika had soup called żurek, and Trevor had a steak. Now I'm driving Michal's 3-liter swapped E36 that we picked up from Warsaw, and we're going back towards our home. It's been a really beautiful day, beautiful weather.
Give me a minute, wanna be trippin', lean to be slippin'. I used to be drippin', hoes will be pimpin'. Little bitch, I run her back, he gone like that, spin them backs. I got a hoes, they lining up, they just want me back. They just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. But I can feel in these hoes, I can feel in them more. They just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. But I can feel in these hoes, I can feel in them more.
We're back
Yeah, we came from the trip.
in the garage.
Really good.
The light is really bad. Do you guys have a fun trip?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it was fun trip. We went to Krosno. We ate some pierogies that were very expensive.
They were expensive pierogies, but they were good.
They were good.
Look at Trevor's hood.
Royal body kits, cool, bro.
Put your hand up there to it. Yeah, you can see you through it. This is just fiberglass.
Super light fiberglass.
Very light. Kind of is.
Didn't explode, which is also.
Yeah, yours feels like it might explode.
Yeah, mine feels definitely worse after the trip, but I think it will be okay for the time being.
Angelo tried driving it too.
Yeah, the car is sick. That's, I think, the first time driving a E36 sedan.
Oh.
And it was really cool. I like how it drives, and the 3-liter engine is cool as fuck. Have enough power to have fun.
Yeah, it has a lot of power.
Yeah,
A lot of horsepower.
We got some cool shots. Then we should do that again.
Yeah.
The trip.
It'll be a good trip.
I could drive my car like 2 times around the world. It's really reliable.
Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great night.
Yeah, they just want me back. But I can feel in these hoes, I can feel in them. I've just been waiting, these problems I've been facing, these drugs.